Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin with opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type in Magic Fluids and install this completely free app from this developer, Mad Scientist. Then open it. Now you need to select those three lines at the bottom right corner and click on Settings over here. Now tap on I accept in this pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're finished, you can always click on the top right corner over here and set up your wallpaper by choosing the bottom one. Tap in on Set as Live Wallpaper and click on Set Wallpaper. Lastly, pick one of those options, I will work home screen only, and go back. After that, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!